Sometimes a bathroom is more than just a functional space. It's a small corner where mornings begin and evenings end, a place of calm, comfort, and subtle luxury. Today, I'll show you how every detail, every color, and every texture can create an atmosphere of quiet elegance. And by the end of this video, you'll see that even dark tiles in a small bathroom can be a perfect choice. You don't need a major renovation to achieve this feeling. It's all about balance between simplicity and refinement. Imagine entering your bathroom, soft light reflecting off the walls, gentle tones enveloping the space, every element in harmony. This feeling can be created with thoughtful combinations without expensive remodels. The secret to a timeless bathroom is that every detail works together to create calm, soft lighting, neutral tones, natural materials. Even the smallest bathroom feels bigger and more luxurious. Notice how the texture of tiles interacts with light, how towels and rugs add softness, and how wood or stone elements bring life to the interior. Avoid cold shine or overly bright accents. When tiles, faucets, or accessories are too flashy, they break the sense of calm. Quiet colors and natural textures create comfort, while organic, lived-in details make the space feel alive. Even small touches, like a neatly placed soap or a simple glass jar, contribute to the overall sense of refinement. If you're choosing between glossy and matte, opt for matte. Between white and cream, choose a warm shade. These subtle choices may go unnoticed at first, but they are what make the space feel expensive. Add living plants or high-quality artificial ones. Peace lilies, sansevieria, or orchids thrive even in darker corners, and realistic artificial plants work beautifully too. Soft, diffused lighting is key. Candles, even safe electronic ones, can add warmth and subtle luxury. These small details make a bathroom practical, yet inspiring at the same time. Textures and materials matter. Matte tiles, natural wood, stone, soft textiles. They interact harmoniously, creating depth and elegance. Nothing is excessive, just carefully chosen elements complementing each other, making the space feel balanced. And here's a little teaser. At the end of this video, I'll show how dark tiles can be one of the best choices for a small bathroom, making it both deep and luxurious. Add finishing touches. Neatly arranged soap, glass jars, a small painting or photo, folded towels. Every detail should enhance the space, not distract. Think about how light plays on these elements, how a plant breathes life into a corner, or how a candle creates a soft glow. These small touches transform a small bathroom into a cozy and inspiring retreat. Honestly, I love bathrooms with dark tiles. I know little secrets on how to make them feel incredibly sophisticated. Even in small spaces, I'll be releasing a video entirely dedicated to this topic soon. Don't miss it, and subscribe to stay updated. New inspiring videos appear regularly on this channel.